Does your Akita get anxious or frightened when exposed to loud noises? If so, you're not alone. Many Akita owners struggle with helping their furry friends feel comfortable and safe during thunderstorms, fireworks, or even everyday noises like vacuum cleaners. In this article, we will discuss why some Akitas are sensitive to loud noises and explore effective strategies to help them cope and feel more at ease. So let's dive in and discover how you can make your Akita's life less stressful. First and foremost, it's essential to understand why Akitas react to loud noises in the way they do. Akitas are known to be a sensitive breed, and their acute hearing only contributes to their heightened awareness of sounds. Their strong instinct to protect themselves and their loved ones can lead to anxious or fearful behavior during loud noise exposure. One way to address this issue is through desensitization techniques. Desensitization involves gradually exposing your Akita to increasingly louder sounds, allowing them to become accustomed and less reactive over time. You can start by playing low-volume recordings of the noises that usually trigger their anxiety and gradually increase the volume as your Akita becomes more comfortable. Remember to reward positive behavior with treats or praise to reinforce their progress. Another effective strategy is counterconditioning. Counterconditioning involves associating loud noises with positive experiences to change your Akita's emotional response. For instance, you can offer treats or engage in a fun activity whenever a loud noise occurs. This will help your Akita associate loud noises with something enjoyable rather than something scary. Creating a safe and comfortable environment for your Akita is also crucial. Set up a designated safe space in your home where your Akita can retreat to when they feel anxious or stressed. This area should be quiet, cozy, and equipped with their favorite toys or blankets. Introduce this space to your Akita gradually and encourage them to use it voluntarily. By having a safe haven, your Akita will feel more secure during stressful situations. Investing in noise-canceling or noise-dampening products can also make a significant difference in reducing your Akita's anxiety. Soundproofing windows and doors, using white noise machines, or even putting up thick curtains can help muffle loud noises and create a more peaceful environment for your furry friend. Additionally, behavioral training can play a crucial role in helping your Akita overcome their fear of loud noises. Training sessions focused on strengthening their overall obedience, confidence, and trust in you as their owner can provide them with a solid foundation to face their fears. Enroll your Akita in obedience classes or consult a professional dog trainer to guide you through this process effectively. Finally, providing your Akita with mental and physical stimulation is essential to maintaining their overall well-being and reducing anxiety. Engage in regular exercise routines and interactive playtime with your Akita to help burn off excess energy. Mental stimulation can be achieved through puzzle toys, treat dispensing toys, or interactive games that challenge their problem-solving skills. Remember, every Akita is unique, and it may take some time to find the right combination of strategies that work best for your furry friend. Be patient, consistent, and most importantly, understanding of their needs. With your love and support, you can help your Akita feel more comfortable and secure, even in the face of loud noises. To sum up, Akitas may struggle with anxiety or fear when exposed to loud noises due to their sensitive nature and acute hearing. However, through desensitization, counterconditioning, creating a safe environment, using noise-canceling products, behavioral training, and providing mental and physical stimulation, you can help your Akita feel more at ease and less anxious during loud noise events. Remember, a little extra care and attention go a long way in ensuring your Akita's